The three regional committees constituted by the state government will soon meet all stakeholders, including traditional heads and autonomous district councils (ADCs), before conducting a joint inspection to the remaining 6 areas of difference. Informing this, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that soon after Puja holidays, the regional committees will start sitting. First will be with the members and work out as to when should they invite the direct stakeholders, be it headmen or AIMs or be it ADCs, since they are part of the committees. Following the ground inspections will be done. Tinsong said one cannot just say the regional committees will be able to complete the exercise within 45 days because when they are sittings with the stakeholders, it may be taken more than 5 meetings.
First, members of this regional committee will sit down, will walk out. When should we invite? When should we call the direct stakeholders, be it the headman, be it the SAIM, be it the district council, because district council also they are part of the committee. So all these stages we will take along. Then ultimately, once that is done, we will go again to the ground.
The Office of the District Medical and Health